People go through so much pain just to live this life the Son Jesus Christ died for. Crucified for a life you ain't even proud of. Just take a step back and look at what you really praying for. Nickels bring your pain, family bring the rain. Don't forget your job, gotta get your money, man. Child needs some shoes, rent is already due. Car note gotta be paid. I went through those days. Bumming rise her feet to the pave. Refuse to go back to them ways. Focus on the matter at hand. Gather my team, build my establishment. Stay out these suckers' way while I move to my own beat. Standing on my own feet, thanking God for bringing out the best of me. Forget the past, the storm that's history. Will the sun shine again? Now that's a mystery. Rain, rain, go away. Don't come back until so many people go through so much pain. Just be glad to see you made it through the rain. Stay out the way but never take your shine. Better keep it pushing, represent your name. You never know what'll hit you till it fucking hit you. Fucking with these niggas wanna grip up on a pistol, but the love got you blind out the corner of your eye. After fight, you still try and you try. And found no make it no better all up in your business. We just tryna raise up all these motherfucking kids, but the cycle keep repeating with these dads in the pen. So the moms left again in the rudder struggling, but we can't let the kids see the rain fall again. So we work our ass off just to see the sun again. And you're looking your best, cause you're faded off of stress. So these niggas go test, tryna get up in your thighs with all of they lies. Temptation is a bitch, we ain't had no dick. Licky on the click, cause you ain't get shit. Money on my mind, ain't no wasting time. Got my mind right. So many people go through so much pain. Just be glad to see you made it through the rain. Stay out the way but never take your shine. Better keep it pushing, represent your name. So many people go through so much pain. Just be glad to see you made it through the rain. Stay out the way but never take your shine. Better keep it pushing, represent your name.